Chapter 13, collecting data. Experiments. And observational studies. A study, bet you don't know what that is when we simply observe a group of test subjects and note what happens to them over time. Now, we have two different types of studies, so you need to make sure you know the difference in these two. A retrospective study identifies subjects and looks at their pasts. A prospective study identifies subjects and collects data as events unfold. So retrospective is looking into the past. Prospective is basically as it happens. A study can never show a causal relationship between variables there can be other unknown or lurking variables. They aren't gone. They still exist even in chapter 13. That are actually, they've just been lurking since then. That are actually causing the effect we see. Studies can show trends and possible relationships that we can then investigate through experimentation. The only way we can begin to start being convinced of a cause and effect relationship is to perform an experiment on the variables we are interested in. An experiment has at least one explanatory variable or factor and at least one response variable to measure. The key to an experiment is active and deliberate manipulation of factors and random assignment of subjects to treatments.
I'm still on
You're such a fast writer.
You're still on
I
which
think it's
one?
very
The
cool.
blue.
I'm jealous. I wish I
You're
could.
still in the blue?
Yeah.
Really, Jeff?
Now I'm in the red.
I decided to keep track of words that I've misspelled. So far, I've only misspelled 2 words, but I did the same one twice. So
Which
first one was
word?
note, and instead of note, I had knock.
How do you write so fast?
And then
I think it's kind of.
I don't think I'm writing that fast.
well
You
then I
know.
decided to write study, and I did it with an I.
But I've
My
also been
handwriting-
writing for quite a long time, so
Man, I
after
cranked-
college, I think you just learn to write fast.
I
Because
cranked
you
out
just
those
write as a
essays
professor
real fast
talks.
in English. Like,
Bro,
I
as soon
gave.
as I got done with the essays, I felt so good because I thought I had finished the test. And then I went to the back page.
And
That
there was the
it,
Shakespeare
'cause
stuff.
Usually the essays are usually.
See, I flipped through the whole thing, so I did the Shakespeare stuff first.
I did not.
Oh, that's
I-
so
Because I
sad.
thought, because there was only like 5 minutes left. So
But I'm pretty sure I
blitzed
still didn't
through
do good on that
Shakespeare
test.
poems.
Yeah, that was hard. Some of the questions, some of the quotes were like, huh?
Peyton, did you use Banquo for the?
Yeah.
I did not use Banquo or Satan.
I used Satan for long because I wasn't sure one
Yeah, I
of them.
just-
Right.
Which one rings the bell?
Lady Macbeth.
Oh, I put Satan. Excuse me.
But did you put Banquo?
I didn't use Banquo.
I didn't use it, I don't think.
I didn't use. I don't know. I don't think I used Bank.
I used Fleon.
I don't think I used Bankwell.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And I don't think Lady Macduff.
Lady Macduff was not an answer.
Yeah, even though I put it somewhere.
You did?
Yeah.
No, she said one of the quotes.
One
Oh,
of the
yeah, she
quotes
said
she
one of the
was.
quotes.
But I was confused because I didn't see them matching at first.
How?
And then it was one of the quotes and I was
Did
like,
you put the Weird Sisters? How many quotes
The
did they
Weird
have?
Sisters.
I
The
put
Weird Sisters.
Weird
I put it for
Sisters.
The-
2.
I put the witches
Actually
for
called
1,
the Weird
but I
Sisters.
put Hecate for 2.
Oh, see, I put Hecate for 1, Witches for 2. Because I wasn't sure who said the one about scorn and
Yeah, that
securities
one I'm not.
deposit or something.
So are they like actually called the Weird Sisters?
Yes.
3 Weird Sisters,
The witches.
yes.
Oh.
Yeah, the witches.
Can we
are-
talk about how this is over here?
How did it even?
It
It's skedaddled.
It grew
Yeah,
legs and
I
walked over
noticed
there.
it. It was-
I got it.
I need to know who won the gobbling contest.
He hasn't texted you back?
No.
Josh Krebs, what's your best gobble turkey?
Well, actually, he said,
What?
"Well, my turkey is
No.
done," and I said, "I want to see," and then I yelled, "Show me the turkey!" But he never showed me the turkey.
Disrespect.
He has bad service in anthropology.
What?
What?
Only in anthropology?
In the classroom, there's like no service.
Oh.
Like I'll get a text like an hour later, and he's like, "I sent that an hour ago," and I'm like, "No, you didn't."
What's your best turkey song?
I'd rather not.
Glad this is being recorded.
Oh right.
It's better than our conversation before the recording.
True.
Fair.
What was the conversation?
You said some out of pocket.
You're the one who's like said.
Very
You're
out of
still
pocket.
Maybe
writing
you just
those?
wanted to forget it.
Yes.
Where are you at?
I'm at.
Do you need someone to write for you?
You're where?
I'm
We're
at the
still-
last bullet point.
Okay.
Oh, I was like.
So I can keep going.
Yes.
Nathan's like, no, I'm not done. Are you not done either?
I'm only not done because I stopped to talk.
Well, why'd you do
why
that?
Can't you do
Then I'm
both?
gonna not stop to talk.
Yeah.
You can't do both.
Clearly not. All right.
That was very sassy.
2 a.m. Levels are these specific values of the factors used all right, I'm supposed to slow down.
No.
I.e. 100, 200.
Okay, now
Wait.
it's
I'm
just keep going. Get there.
Or 300 milligrams of medicine. Then we have treatments. Which are the combination of levels from all the factors that a subject receives For example, factor 1 has 3 levels. So 2, 4, or 6 hours of sleep. Sounds like a good nap. Factor 2 has 2 levels. 0 minutes or 30 minutes of exercise. So there are 6 treatments in this experiment. Three times 2, which gives us 6. No, it's my mother.
Oh.
Like,
I was like,
I cannot see anybody opening the door for like 5 seconds.
A couple tissues.
I was gonna have them bring them to you tomorrow.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Did you bring me your form?
Oh, form.
Barbecue form, or did you
Put it in the office. When I put it up there, they go, she was just here and got them. I said, well, I told her I'm bringing it. Thank you.
I gave you pups in
Well, I think the other classes must be using a ton of them, because we don't really use them hardly ever when my kids get up and get one. Anyway,
I'm getting low, but
Pass the orange.
it's there. Somewhat painful, but not as bad as Saturday. Ooh, that was a rough day. Painful.
Where are you at, Josh?
Come on.
look at us go.
What?
I must have slowed down.
Oh.
Or Josh got faster. Not sure which one. Maybe
you just did
both.
it right as much each time.
An experiment manipulates factor levels to create treatments randomly assigns subjects to treatments, or sorry, to treatment levels. Compares responses of the subject groups across treatment levels.
I only have 3 lines at the bottom. I started writing this at the bottom.
Well, that's the last thing in that. The next thing, if you're close on spots, is 4 principles. So if you want all your principles to be together, you might want to start a new page. Because there's also stuff underneath each principle. If you don't care, then the first principle is 3 lines.
No, my hand is so sweaty from writing so fast.
Your hands, mine just cramp up.
Your hand sweats when you write.
That's interesting.
My hands
Because
just
I'm like
in general.
sprinting.
No. No.
Interesting.
I don't even have to write my hands to sweat. It just happens.
How do you hold your pen?
With
Because
my
like I
hand.
hold,
Well,
I
yeah,
hold
there's that.
my pencil like this. Is this normal or
I don't know.
How do you hold it?
it's not the correct way? I don't think.
Nathan is so good at
I
just
think
putting
you are
his
holding it the
hand.
correct
Yeah,
way.
mine's incorrect. I hold it incorrectly.
Mine's always incorrect because it's not as comfortable. I like to overlap my fingers, and you're not
I
supposed to
do
do
it-
that.
I do it on the third
It's supposed
one
to
and
be
not the
like
second
this. You can't see it. Hold on. It's
Wait, like this.
supposed to be like this.
That's what I do.
one. Really?
Wait, like
I think it's
this.
just left-handed people.
But
I kind of just have it like.
I had a friend in high school that wrote like this.
Ew.
No,
I bet their
how do you
handwriting was
write like
bad.
that?
I bet their handwriting was bad.
Like this.
Actually, that's how William writes.
Oh wait, that looks good.
Well, then for a while when I broke my finger, I had to write like this because my fingers were buddy taped.
That's a monstrosity.
Well, my fingers were buddy taped because this one was
I
broken.
would get someone to write for me. That's
I would just write with my other.
But it would like, so I could
I would learn to be ambidextrous.
do that, and then it was, you're still writing with the right form.
Wait, like
Oh hey, yeah.
You just put the finger between, the pencil between a different finger.
This is how British people write. Their pinky out.
what? Okay.
That's
Because like buddy tape, I could still
Yeah.
write. Oh, good.
It worked. Were we waiting for me? Like,
Well, sort of, not really.
Nathan was getting us on a tangent.
It's not even calculus class. Are you caught up? Okay. All right, the first one. Control. We control sources of variation other than the factors we are testing by making conditions as similar as possible for all treatment groups. To randomize randomization allows us to equalize unknown or uncontrollable sources of variation my pen got stuck in my hair.
I was like, what?
Experimental units must be randomly assigned to treatments note. Josh, see if you can spell it right this time.
Oh, hey. What's Josh?
The one that spelled it wrong the first time.
Spelled note wrong.
I was thinking about the letter H when I.
It is not necessary I lost my shoe. That all subjects in the experiment are randomly chosen the subjects must be appropriate for the experiment. Treatment must be randomly assigned.
I wrote
2 pages down, everyone.
Yeah.
Peyton's like, yay, and Nathan's like, that was it.
Yeah, I want Nathan.
How many are there for this one?
5.
Wow. I've heard worse.
Whoa. I have the shirt. Oh, he won the gobbling contest.
3.
Yeah.
I gotta tell him congratulations.
should.
Replication. He's gonna be like, y'all talk about me at school?
Yes.
We should. Are you okay?
He's almost taught like 15 times.
We should apply each treatment to a number of subjects a single outcome is an anecdote we should repeat the entire experiment on different groups of subjects For block, still in the orange.
No.
Did I go up enough?
Yes.
Okay. Do you need a refill?
No, I have another one.
Okay.
Well,
Just
it's,
get a bigger one.
Yeah, why do you just have two? Ow.
well, I can switch between them, and also it's, I guess,
Just gives you more dishes to clean.
Exactly.
well,
You want a bigger watermelon for Christmas?
Are you gonna get him one?
I
You
would.
should get him a Stanley Cup.
I feel like Josh is not a Stanley guy.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Stanley.
I know that Josh doesn't want a community Stanley though.
That's nasty.
Community.
That's disgusting. Did you just, what did you, oh.
I used my mind to think of it.
Community Stanley.
Nathan.
Always be ready.
Nathan.
Nathan!
What is that? At least he listens when people say his name.
I do sometimes. Not when things are literally spilling on me, and I'm just like,
Like Aiden.
no, I do.
Aiden.
That time y'all were like, pay it, and my drink was like
And my
falling in
drink
my
was
lap.
Hey, where'd my water bottle go?
Other side, buddy. All right. Blocking. If we group subjects, that have similar characteristics, and then randomized treatments, within blocks. We remove variability. That comes from differences among blocks. Did I go up too far?
No, you're good.
People are frequently blocked.
Really?
I block a lot of people.
I think I blocked like 2 people, that's it.
I block scammers. I don't like block people that I know.
That makes sense.
There's only one person that I know that I've ever actually blocked.
Yeah.
And that was because they were creepy.
That makes sense.
I blocked Will.
I didn't even block my ex.
Mhm.
Probably should have, but I didn't. By gender, age, political views, etc. Obviously, if we're, blocking for a type of medicine, we don't need to block by political views. But gender and age might be relevant.
I think we need to do it by political views.
I mean, maybe your political mindset might affect how the things work.
Yeah.
We block subjects, not treatments. Blocking is not required, but highly encouraged. No, I'm just kidding. In an experiment, however, the other 3 are. So replication, randomization, and control are required, but blocking is not. However, it does often occur. And it's good to have.
What does it mean by how the other three are required? Like, what other three?
Replication and randomization and control are required. I don't think he's listening.
I think the most confusing thing is how he doesn't understand it.
No.
It's self-explanatory.
No, I know.
If you think about it, you'll
Are you
get it.
tracking? Okay.
Someone apologize for us.
You didn't even say anything.
I know, but I'm part of the
I
group.
was just, I
I
was
want to be
only
part of the
stating
bullying
facts.
group.
That's
It was
way.
the crutches. They distracted him.
Yeah, I got uppercutted by.
Okay, but they're above you, so actually.
They got down. You got down cutted.
Down
That's not a
cutted?
thing.
So he was
Down
up, down.
cutted.
This is just going downhill very quickly.
Yeah.
Now we'll
It
have to
was
climb
never
back up.
uphill.
No, that would be an uppercut.
Diagrams are frequently used
How many lines do we need for this?
to show 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 5 to 6. An experimental procedure. All right, we're going to have random allocation. Group 1 is treatment 1. Group 2 is treatment 2. And then we have a comparison of results. Be specific in the diagram. About treatments in comparison. I think we shall stop there.